Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve this problem. Convert the given delta circuit into an star connection. So the process involved here is, we need to find out R1 value, R2 value as well as R3 value. So here I am drawing those values. So this is the delta given. The terminals are A, B and C. So here I require the resistance. So this center value is nothing but the neutral. So this is the neutral. This is the R1 value. So how to find the center branches? So this black color resistor is connected between two reds. Okay, what are these two red values? 10 as well as 20. So you have to do the product. 10 into 20 divided by sum of the known values. What are the known values? 10 plus 20 plus 30. 10 plus 20 plus 30. Then you can find this unknown resistor R1 from the known resistors of 10, 20, 30. So similarly, how to find out R2 value? So R2 means this one. So this resistor I need to find out. The name of this resistor is R2. So I want the center resistor. This black resistor, you have carefully observe, this black resistor is connected to which red resistors? One is 10 and 30. So this is nothing but 10 into 30 divided by 10 plus 20 plus 30. And coming to the R3. So this is nothing but R3 value. So you can carefully, if you observe, this R3 is connected to the two red resistors, that is 20. This is connected to 20 as well as 30. So the numerator you are going to get product 20 into 30 divided by the sum. What is the sum? 20 plus 30 plus 10. So that's how we are going to get multiple values. If you solve it, the R1 value is, with your calculator, 3.33 ohms. So this value you are going to get it as 5 ohms. This value we are going to get it as 10 ohm. So successfully I transform the given delta to star. Very simple to understand. A red color resistors which are known values are given. From the known we have to find out the unknown. So carefully observe, this R1 is connected between this R black color resistor is connected between two red resistors. What are those two? 10 into 20 divided by 10 plus 20 plus 30. So that's how we find R1. I'm repeating the things to make the things more clarity. R2, this is R2. This R2 resistor is connected to which two red resistors? Red color resistor, 10 ohm resistor as well as 30 ohm. 10 into 30 divided by 10 plus 30 plus 20 and R3. So this resistor. So this resistor is black resistor, okay, connected to which red resistors? 10 and 30. This is nothing but 20 into 30 divided by 20 plus 30 plus 40. So like this we will be solving multiple problems of converting a given star to an delta and given delta to an star. Hope if you find the video is useful, please give a like to the video, share with your friends. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you are watching the channel for the first time, subscribe the channel. This is a channel for the development of students and faculty. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. So just remember, the channel name is KV Tulsirao. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Yours obediently Ram.